Hello everyone, welcome back to RIMS English. Today we will practice WH questions. Previously, I uploaded two videos on WH questions, part 1 and part 2. I hope you have already watched these videos. Today I'll show you how to make WH questions using whom and whose. So let's start. In the beginning, I'll show how to use whom. Whom is used for persons and it is used for objects, not subjects. Let me show you the structure. At first, whom will come, then auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary verb will come. Then the subject will come, then the main verb and other part of the sentence, then at last question mark will come. Now let me give you examples. I called you. Here, you. This is showing the object. And question is, whom did you call? Here, whom is coming as per the structure. After that, we have to write the auxiliary verb. Here, the verb was given called. That means past form. That's why we have to take past auxiliary did. After that, we will write the subject. In the given sentence, I is there. So we will write you. I hope you remember I told in my previous videos that if you find I in the subject, the question will become you. And at last there is call. In the sentence, there was past tense given, but we will write the present form because we have already taken the past auxiliary form. So the question is, whom did you call? The teacher praised her student. Here, student is showing the object. So the question will be, whom did the teacher praise? As per the structure, whom is coming. After that, we will take the auxiliary verb. See the sentence. Here, praised is given. That means past tense. So, we will take the past auxiliary verb did. And after the past auxiliary did, we have to take the subject, the teacher. We are writing the teacher here. And after that, the present verb. That means praised was given. We will write the present form praise. So, the sentence is becoming, whom did the teacher praise? Let me give you more examples. The shopkeeper will hire a cashier. So here, a cashier. Cashier is the object. So the sentence will become, whom will the shopkeeper hire? As per the structure, whom will come in the beginning of the question. After that, we will write the auxiliary or modal verb. In this sentence, will is working as the modal auxiliary verb. So we will write will here. After that, the subject, the shopkeeper. We will write the shopkeeper and the main verb hire is coming here. So the question will become, whom will the shopkeeper hire? Another sentence, I am talking to my friend. Here, friend is the object. So we will write, whom are you talking to? Whom will come in the beginning, then we will write the auxiliary verb. See the subject here. Subject is given I and auxiliary am. As you know, I will become you. So obviously, the auxiliary verb am will become a. After that, we will write you and the verb. Here it is a continuous tense. That's why ing form is given. So we will write talking. After that, the preposition to will come here. So, whom are you talking to? Now, let's talk about the use of whose. Whose is used to show ownership or possession or belongingness. When something belongs to someone, we use whose to make the question. Now, let me show you the structure. At first, whose will come, then subject or the noun, then the auxiliary verb comes. But sometimes you will find that subject may come after auxiliary. Then the main verb will come. If there is any other part that will come, then the question mark. Now let me give you some examples. It is my book. Here, my is showing the possession. So the question will become, whose book is it? Whose is coming as per the structure of the sentence. After that, the noun is coming, book. Then the auxiliary verb. But here, there is no auxiliary. So is working as the main verb here. And after that, it is coming. My book is not here. Here, my is working as the possession. So, whose book is not here? Whose is coming in the beginning? After that, the noun, book, is coming. There is no auxiliary, so the present verb will come here. And after that, not here, the other part of the sentence. So the question will become, whose book is not here? Maria's father is a teacher. Maria's, this word is showing possession. So we will write, whose father is a teacher. In place of Maria's, we are writing whose. After that, father is coming. Father is the subject here. And is, the main verb is coming here. And a teacher, we are writing a teacher. So whose father is a teacher. I like his black bike. So his is showing the possession. We will write, whose black bike do you like? Now let me explain. In place of his, we are writing whose to show the ownership. After that, black bike, we are writing the noun. Then the auxiliary verb. So here, I like, the verb like is given in the present form. So we have to take the present auxiliary, do. And then the subject, I is given, I will become you. And the main verb, like. We are writing like here after the subject. So the question is, whose black bike do you like? So everyone, I hope you got clear idea about the use of whom and whose. Try to use these WH questions in your daily conversation and have a good command over English. See you in my next video, everyone. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.